Hey friends, today we found amazing and affordable machines from Amazon to help you start a profitable business. Check the description for links to each one. Steam eye masks are a perfect blend of care and innovation. They provide gentle warmth, relieve tension after a long day, and leave the skin around the eyes looking fresh and rejuvenated. This product is highly sought after by those looking for an easy way to enhance their well-being and appearance. With the ability to personalize designs, you can create unique masks featuring vibrant prints, corporate logos, or even custom messages. This makes them an ideal gift or a stylish addition to branded client packages. Usually, incubators are used for raising chickens or quails, but this incubator is designed for more exotic tasks, hatching reptile eggs. With it, you can create ideal conditions for turtles, lizards, snakes, or geckos by maintaining precise temperature control. After hatching, they can be sold directly to customers or pet stores, which are always looking for healthy and well-raised reptiles. In addition to reptiles, you can also offer accessories like terrariums, UV lamps, or specialized feed to expand your business opportunities. The automatic air welding machine is designed for secure bonding of surfaces such as waterproof membranes, banners, and roofing materials. It operates by heating air to a high temperature, melting the material's edges and creating a watertight seal. This equipment is ideal for waterproofing pools, reservoirs, installing PVC membranes on roofs, and welding banners or greenhouse films. It offers excellent potential for a mobile repair and installation service, where its versatility and reliability can be fully utilized. Health supplements are currently gaining popularity, especially those based on mushrooms like lion's mane and Cordyceps militaris. These mushrooms are known for their beneficial properties, boosting immunity, supporting the nervous system, and increasing energy. You can leverage this popularity to create a high-demand product and carve out your niche in the market. This machine fills capsules that are convenient for consuming such products. It ensures precise dosing of powders and other additives, avoiding excess of specific components. A mobile shot blasting machine is industrial equipment designed for cleaning concrete, metal, and other hard surfaces using a directed stream of abrasive particles. It effectively removes rust, paint, dirt, and old coatings, preparing surfaces for repair or painting. The machine operates on an abrasive recycling principle, making the process cost-effective by reducing material waste. Its uniqueness lies in its mobility, allowing it to be used across various locations, making it ideal for construction sites, ship maintenance, and industrial restoration projects. Have you ever heard of compressed towels? These are items that unfold to their full size when moistened. They're created using pressing technology. Non-woven material is compressed under high pressure to minimize its size. Thanks to their small size, they're easy to store and transport, making them particularly valuable for restaurants, hotels, and travel kits, where compactness is essential. They're not just a practical accessory, but also a way to evoke emotions, and emotions are what sell. You don't need approval from authorities or road services to use this machine on private properties. Parking lots, warehouse areas, driveways, or sports fields can all be marked without additional permits. Operating the machine is simple. Select the line width, fill the paint reservoir, adjust the settings, and start moving. The cold spray system ensures even paint application, allowing you to create both straight lines and more complex markings with ease. Corrugated plastic boxes, despite potential criticism regarding eco-friendliness, offer several advantages. They're durable, moisture-resistant, and maintain their shape even in challenging conditions. This makes them an ideal choice for transporting products with specific requirements, such as seafood or fresh vegetables. Additionally, these boxes can be reused multiple times and recycled after wear, helping to reduce environmental impact. The machine enables the creation of packaging tailored to various sizes and client needs, with production efficiency that makes scaling up seamless. Leather belts may seem simple, but their creation requires precision and quality equipment. This leather cutting machine gets the job done. It cuts leather quickly and accurately into pieces of the desired size. The process is straightforward. Place the leather on the platform, and the blade makes clean, damage-free cuts, leaving the edges ready for further processing. Working with leather has its unique challenges and demands. That's why there are specialized workshops where professionals focus solely on crafting leather products. What's stopping you from starting your own? Craft soda is more than just a carbonated drink. It's made from natural ingredients, often without artificial flavors or colors, making it a healthier alternative to mass-market brands. Unlike standard sugary sodas, craft soda offers unique flavor combinations, from classic citrus blends to experimental mixes with ginger, lavender, or berries. This equipment allows for precise ingredient dosing, beverage carbonation, bottle sealing, and large-scale product preparation, making it ideal for efficient production. Waste recycling is a crucial task for any eco-conscious business. Shredded tires can be turned into rubber granules for road or sports field coverings. Plastic can be repurposed into raw material for plastic products, and wood can become fuel briquettes or building materials. This not only allows for recycling, but also the creation of in-demand eco-friendly products. It's also worth noting that videos showcasing the shredding process are gaining popularity and often go viral, which can be leveraged to benefit your business. You've probably seen typical washing machines for produce, but this one tells a slightly different story. It handles a wide variety of products, from delicate berries and leafy greens to large root vegetables and produce with tough skins. The water flow and bubble technology ensures gentle cleaning for fragile items like fruits and herbs, while effectively removing dirt and sand and chemical residues even from more challenging surfaces. Clean produce isn't just a standard, it's a way to increase its market value. Washed vegetables, fruits, and greens are perceived as higher quality and more premium, with their fresh and appealing appearance instantly capturing attention. This machine also ensures product cleanliness, but in a different way. It provides deep surface and packaging treatment using ultraviolet radiation, eliminating up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and mold, making products safe for storage and use. Unlike traditional cleaning methods, UV treatment requires no water or chemicals, reducing cost and making the process environmentally friendly. It can be used to sterilize packaging for ready meals, fruits, vegetables, baked goods, bottle caps, beverage containers, and pharmaceutical or cosmetic containers. Have you ever thought that syringes could be used as packaging? They can hold a variety of liquids for use across different industries. In the cosmetic industry, they're perfect for packaging serums, oils, and concentrates. In the food sector, syringes are used for portioning syrups, sauces, or confectionery additives, making preparation process convenient and precise. For art materials like paints or inks, syringes provide accurate dosing and keep the workspace clean. Impress your customers with this innovative approach and create a profitable business. Garlic is a universal product used everywhere, from home kitchens to restaurants. The price of peeled garlic in stores can be 2 to 3 times higher than unpeeled garlic. Why? It's all about processing. Peeling garlic takes time, effort, and specialized conditions. By purchasing unpeeled garlic at $2 per pound and selling peeled garlic at $6 per pound, you can significantly increase your profit margin, and this machine can help turn that idea into reality. You may have seen this robotic arm in many automated production lines. It's a device capable of lifting, moving, and positioning items with a level of precision beyond human capability. Such manipulators are indispensable in assembly lines, where repetitive tasks are required, from packaging goods to handling small components. The key feature of these manipulators is their flexibility. Program the arm for specific tasks, and it will perform them tirelessly, flawlessly, and without breaks. Its integration into your production will undoubtedly boost efficiency and productivity. Have you ever come across a product package that contained more than advertised? It's probably a rare occurrence. However, a shortage immediately leads to customer dissatisfaction. This machine accurately counts and packages each unit of your product. It's perfect for packaging vitamins or gummy candies. And what about counting beads or other decorative materials where every piece must match the stated quantity? With this solution, you'll no longer have to worry about losing your customers' trust. Imagine a bar where every customer creates a drink tailored to their own taste. They start by choosing a base, tea, milk, juice, or coffee. Then they add syrups, fruits, spices, or any other ingredients they like. The shaker machine mixes it all together, transforming the customer's selection into a perfectly balanced drink. The entire process happens right in front of the guests. Customers can watch as their order is quickly and evenly blended in the machine, and then enjoy a unique drink made just for them. And if someone comes up with an especially creative recipe, it can be added to the menu with their name as the creator. If your product is already in mass production, you need to apply dates, serial numbers, and logos to your packaging. With modern manufacturing standards and regulatory requirements, clear and durable markings are critically important. This machine works with various materials, including glass, plastic, wood, and metal, making it a versatile solution for the food, pharmaceutical, and packaging industries. The laser technology eliminates the need for ink and other consumables, reducing operating costs and making the process more environmentally friendly. A chocolate fountain is not just a device, it's the centerpiece of any event. Melted chocolate flows smoothly over 5 tiers, creating a cascading display perfect for dipping fruits, marshmallows, cookies, or even mini donuts. This fountain makes a fantastic addition to weddings, corporate events, children's parties, and celebrations. It's not just a delicious treat, but also a visual spectacle that captivates guests and brings an atmosphere of joy and comfort to any occasion. Packaging is an essential part of any business, and securing products reliably plays a crucial role. The handheld automatic strapping and hot welding machine is designed to work with polypropylene and polyethylene terephthalate straps. The process is incredibly simple. Insert the strap, press the tension button, and then activate the welding mechanism. In just a few seconds, the strap is securely fastened using friction and heat technology. The device operates on a rechargeable battery, making it convenient to use in any setting, whether it's a warehouse, production facility, or a logistics operation. Many people look down on various oils due to distrust of their quality and ingredients. However, with this machine, you can offer a natural product that meets the highest quality standards. This machine allows you to produce pure and eco-friendly oil without the use of chemical additives or preservatives. Extract oil from sunflower, sesame, flax, or peanut seeds and provide your customers with a product that will be a great alternative to mass-produced oils, meeting the demands of consumers seeking healthy nutrition. Leveling cement floors is a critical step in any large-scale construction project. For supermarkets, warehouses, or runways, the quality of the surface is paramount. Instead of relying on time-consuming manual labor, specialized equipment takes over. This machine handles 2 tasks at once: mixing concrete and leveling it, ensuring a smooth and even surface. Show how using this machine can become a competitive advantage for construction companies. You've probably seen large machines producing massive quantities of these pearls. This machine is a smaller version, perfectly suited for cafes and small-scale production. It allows you to make fresh tapioca pearls right on site, giving you a competitive edge. You can create unique flavors by adding natural juices and syrups, and the process is so simple that your customers will be delighted to watch it in action. Straws have become an essential part of serving beverages in cafes, restaurants, and street food courts. To create them, polymer material is loaded into the machine, where it melts, is shaped into long tubes, and then cooled to retain its form. Afterward, the straws are cut to the desired length and packed for sale. Have you ever noticed in a restaurant that the shrimp on your plate sometimes has a visible, contaminated vein? It might contain sand and can give the dish an unpleasant, muddy taste. Such a flaw is hard to miss and can ruin the dining experience. This machine removes the shrimp's vein while keeping it intact and is suitable for processing shrimp of various sizes. Good sushi or onigiri delivery is not as common as you might think. The reason lies in the strict control required to maintain the freshness of ingredients like salmon, tuna, or shrimp at every stage, from storage to preparation. If you can secure access to high-quality products, success is almost guaranteed. And this machine, capable of automatically creating perfectly shaped rice portions with high efficiency, will be a valuable addition to your business. Fish-based semi-finished products are among the most in-demand items on the market. To obtain clean fish meat, it's crucial to effectively separate it from bones, skin, and internal organs. This process is automated through a carefully designed mechanism. The fish is fed into a rotating drum with perforations, allowing only the soft meat to pass through. Bones and other dense elements remain on the surface of the drum and are removed into a waste compartment. This way, you can easily produce your own fish meat for mince, patties, or dumpling fillings. Now you can not only come up with examples of how to use cardboard, but also start producing it. By utilizing readily available raw materials like old cardboard boxes, paper waste, reed, or straw, you not only reduce costs, but also emphasize sustainability. These materials allow you to create packaging, biodegradable containers, or even construction materials that align with modern trends and market demands. Additionally, they open up countless opportunities for innovative ideas connected to this versatile product. With this machine, you can turn small plant waste such as pruned branches or dry leaves into high-quality mulch. This process helps you create a material that can be used to improve soil in gardens or in farms. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil structure. It's an ideal choice for small gardening and farming projects where recycling plant material and waste can provide a valuable natural resource to enhance soil quality.